Hello up there. Ooh, my voice is as tired as my eyes are, as my eyes used to be during distance learning. So for I don't have any spinners. I don't have any spinners, and I don't have any hitters. All the hitters went home with the in-person kids. So this is what we're going to do for pitchers. So what we have to do for pitchers, you need two 10-sided die. Two 10-sided dice. Now, the thing is, they have to be 0 to 9. Okay? 0 to 9. And that's what these are. The lowest number is 0, and the highest number is 9. If you have a 10-sided die and it's 1 to 10, you can't use it. It's got to be 0 to 9. Here's why. Okay, we're going to have 10. The pitcher is going to face 10 hitters, right? So I'm going to call it round 1. I need a better pen. So for round 1, maybe this is better. So for round 1, you take the dice and you roll it, and you have two numbers, 4 and 2. You always put the larger number first. Okay, 4 and 2. Okay, so what do? The first thing you do is you add them, then you subtract them, then you multiply them, and then you divide them. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Pretty straightforward, right? Second roll, 8 and 7. Now notice the 7 was here, but you always put the larger number first. 8, 7. Okay. Now 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 times 7 is 56. And 8 divided by 7 is 1 and 1/8. Hey Siri? She's tired too. All right, so 8 divided by 7, there's my scratch paper. This is how I do that. 8 divided by 7, it goes in there once, and there's a 7 here, and it's 1. And I say 1 and 1/7. Say 1 and 1/7. Next, so you do this 10 times. Pretty easy, right? 1 and 8. Or sorry, 9 and 1. 10 if I add it, 8 if I subtract, 9 if I multiply, and 9 divided by 1, is 9. Okay? So this is how you do add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So this is how we do this. You're going to do this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Do it 10 times. All right, so we're going to pause there. If I can find the pause button. Found it. Now, I already found a shortcut. I just started rolling them all first. All right, I rolled it 10 times. 4, 8, 9, 4, 3, 7, 7, 8, 3, 9, 2, 7, 0, 3, 0, 6, blah, blah, blah. So I rolled them all, put my dice aside, and then I can do the math all together. It's however you want to do it. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 divided by 0 is nothing, is NA. Okay? Anything, a number divided by 0 is not applied. It's an error. Okay? Okay, so that's the first. Any number divided by 0 does not compute. It's a error. And I put that there because if and when you receive our calculators and you try to do like 645,221 divided by 0, it's going to say this. All right, so I've got a little bit more work to do. Be back in as soon as I can. Okay, excuse me. Okay, I have finished my math. I have rolled my dice, right? And I always put the larger number first, smaller number. So, add, subtract, and multiply. Divide, this is optional. I just decided that the divide is optional. That's later for advanced. If you want to do it, great. Okay. Everyone should know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide these, or add, subtract, and multiply these numbers. So, if, you know, the whole point of these, right, the whole point of baseball is the pitcher wants to get an out, the hitter wants to get a hit, and the manager wants to win, so they keep their job. So, the pitcher wants this. The pitcher wants an out. Now this pitcher, Petit, Yusmeiro Petit, if he gets the hitter to get a 0, anything from a 0 to 28, this guy wins. So let's look at this first round, right? This first batter. So the first batter comes up, gets a 6, a 2, and an 8. Out. You're out. The second, how should we put an out? Out. Out. I don't know. That's out. The second pitcher has, or second batter. So the batter comes up, there's 8 and 7. So there's 15, 1, and 56. 56. That's a hit. Next. So the hit. 10, 8, and 9. That's an out. 7, 1, and 12. That's an out. 3 threes. Oh, out. 3, 13, 1, and 42. That's a hit. 13, 1, and 42. That's a hit. 8, 8, 0. Out. 5, 1, 6. Out. 11, 7, 18. That's an out. So in this, so for this hitter, or for these 10 hitters, right? For these hitters, they have a hit. They got 3 hits. 1, 2, 3 hits. Right? 3 hits out of all these 10. So that's pretty good, right? That's 3 hits. That's fine. I wonder if any of those 3 hits are going to be home runs, though. Remember, because those of you who have the hitter cards, remember, every time you get a hit, if you get it, one of these, then you get to take the spinner and you get to spin the spinner, and then see if you get a hit. What else? Well, I guess that's it, right? That's the first round. So now I have to go again, right? I have to go again, and I'm going to roll. So now I'm going to go round 2. I'm going to put round 2. And remember, I changed my mind. I just want you to do add, subtract, and multiply. If you want to do divide, that's fine, but these are the ones you have to do. And over here, I'm going to number it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So these are this is the hitter, right? In every round, you'll have 10 chances. In real baseball, I think you get outs, right? In real baseball, there's outs, but for this game that we're playing, we're going to get 10 because I said so. All right, so same thing, right? You roll it. So those of you who took this home today, because some of you didn't have a spinner, so I gave you pitchers and then 2 dice. And if you don't have this, that's okay. But I do want you to do 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So hitters, I think you know what to do. I'll make the video tomorrow because students are going to return their what's it called? Hitter materials. Gail gave all mine away. That's it. Oh, I got a sore throat from all this talking today. All right, I gotta stop talking for now. Hope you're all doing well out there, everybody. Aloha and au revoir.